Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Walt Disney. So it is one of those iconic companies which has proved itself beyond ages. There were times when you have seen, if you can check the videos which may be available on lots of social media platforms, that the sales is going down, the products are not working and all that. But these kind of products are beyond ages. When you are connecting a generation with those thoughts which aspire them, which inspire them, which they have lived with, which they have born and brought up with. So you cannot quantify that with numbers, as simple as that. So if you talk about numbers and analysts and all those things, it may not be true for every time. The simple and latest example of that is, if you look at this one, just look at this range. Okay, just look at this highlighted area. So it is from 1998 to 2012. So this span, 1998 to 2012, which is a span of 14 years, the stock has not done anything. Literally the stock is consolidating, whether you can call it as a time correction or price correction. It has done that, but the stock has moved on. Okay, and there was a big breakout which has happened afterwards, after 2012, and after 2012 it gave a return of 250 odd percent, and again it went into a consolidation. So it may not be a stock if you are habituated with tech kind of returns, which the tech giants and other technology related company, whether can direct or indirect allied services, it may not give those kind of returns. But let's say if you are holding this company since 1980, it has given you a return of 17,000 odd percent. So that's what I'm saying. You need to change your perspective if you want to look at these kind of companies, and this does not need any high qualified education or degree something. Why? Because sometimes many things makes you more complex. So there was some very good example which are available in the investment books or the investment history. Okay, where a group of students or group of children outperform a group of professionals. So it's all about common sense thinking. So do not try to quantify, and you cannot model this kind of, if you are a very good financial analyst or you know everything, still you cannot quantify these things. So some things we also need to apply some emotions. Maybe we are not emotional, but others are, who are using this product. So you should understand that perspective as well. So looking at the trend, because we are looking at the trend, and that's what the beauty of long term trend. It will give you a sheer advantage. When you are saying you want to create alpha, I'll say look at the long term trends. It will definitely create you an alpha. Maybe the timeline is different, but surely it will create you. Why? Because you can you can be able to see some things which is not available if you make your mind works for each and every day basis, looking on hourly charts and daily charts or minute charts. Just make yourself and your analysis as simple as possible. You will see the beauty of alpha automatically generates for you. There is no secret. I don't find any secret. If somebody is saying maybe I am not getting paid millions or thousands and millions of dollars, maybe somebody will, that's why they are saying and you are taking it seriously. But believe in simplicity, and you will see the magic automatically happens. You just need common sense, you don't need uncommon sense. Okay, so look at this trend. We are going to talk about the long term trends, as simple as that. And if you see there is something which is available in the long term trend, you need not bother about all those market jargons which are happening on daily and everyday basis. You would be fine. You will really be fine, because some things, and there is no reliability in whatsoever sense in all the cases, because it doesn't matter whether uh, you are taking advice from someone who is a known or less known guy. There is a possibility, okay, that a person who knows that he knows better than a person who don't know. Okay, so rather than throwing a dart in the dark, you should know the direction in which you are throwing your dart. So that's the only difference. And make yourself comfortable. You are putting your money, so your mind must be very relaxed. If you are in a hurry, then investing is not for you. It is not at all for you, because lots of people, it doesn't matter whether you are in India or Indonesia, or you are in Saudi Arabia, or you are in United States, United Kingdom, wherever you are, it doesn't matter. People are there who don't know about investing and still keep on saying that we are a long term guy. So that's a that's the difference, only difference about what you say and what you do. Anyhow, just look at this long term trend. What we can see here, the stock has taken support in on its long term support level around 82, and beyond which, below which, the next support level comes at 57. So the price should not go below 57. On the top, your resistance will come near 160. That's a, you can say that's a big resistance for the time being, because the stock is consolidating and again tries to move, crawl back. So this is your immediate resistance, and beyond which it will go towards 221. Okay, so once it crosses 221, the stock will go towards 540 to 990, within this range, because we don't know about this range, in a sense that we can't say that this is the exact point or that is the exact point. This will completely depend upon the way stock moves. So once it crosses this line 221, or this line, your main area should be this line, this will come, and it will take time, because you have seen, if you are a long term, if you're watching a long term trend, it might be beneficial for you. But if you are watching a short term trend, then you may be looking at a consolidation or correction or a short term price action, nothing else. So anyhow, over a period of time, the stock has given you return, and the stock will give you return looking at the current trend. It's a very strong and uptrending chart for over 20-30 years, and the trend is very strong and intact. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.